Hi everyone! Good day! My name is Sinalyn Buenapit from BSHM 1B. I will sharing my thoughts about my role in globalized world. In my own words, globalization is the process that connects countries and people around the world through trade, communication, technology, and culture. It allows ideas, goods, and services to move easily across borders, making the world more linked and dependent on each other. As a Filipino student, promoting sustainability affects my daily life by teaching me to be more responsible and mindful of my actions. I've learned to bring my own reusable water bottle, avoid using much plastic, and properly dispose of my trash. It also helped me value our environment and understand that even small actions like saving electricity or joining school cleanup activities can make a big difference. This mindset makes me more disciplined, caring, and aware of my role in helping our community and the world. I can contribute positively to our interconnected world by using my voice and action to promote kindness, respect, and awareness as a student. I can share helpful information online, support local products, and respect people from different cultures. I can also volunteer in community activities and take care of environment by reducing waste and conserving resources. Through these small but meaningful actions, I can help build a more peaceful, unit, and sustainable world for everyone. Thank you for watching!